Sì. È qui.
It's beautiful and a big collaboration. Begin.
I didn't quite know I'd be working on this sort of film.
What's your problem?
I'll do this stuff. Gilderoy, you're here to do a job.
This is not a horror film. This is a Santini film.
What I admired about you was that you were an artist, that you were doing this with a love.
Sounds a little watery. Is there any fresh marrow?
Francesco tells me you are trying to escape. There's no reason to escape.
Who's there?
Gilderoy, this is going to be a fantastic film.
This game's up, boy. No more jumping through hooks.
Don't be afraid. A new world of sound awaits you. A new world that requires all your magic powers.